Welcome back to the Foods Chigatanda. Our today's recipe, Parotta with chicken salna. Parotta recipe is already done in our channel. For the recipe link, please check in description. In a jar, add cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, fennel seeds 1 tablespoon, peppercorns 1 tablespoon, grinded to rough powder and keep it aside. Coconut half shell finely chopped, groundnut 50 grams, poppy seeds 1 teaspoon, water 50 ml, grinded to a paste. In a kadai, add oil 2 tablespoon, fennel seeds half teaspoon, spices cinnamon, cardamom and cloves, green chilies 3 split into 2, curry leaves 1 sprig, onion finely chopped 1, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons and sort it well. Add a handful of mint leaves, a handful of coriander leaves and mix well. Turmeric powder half teaspoon, chili powder 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 1/2 tablespoon and mix well. Garam masala 1 teaspoon, add roughly ground powder, 1 tomato finely chopped. Add 500 grams of washed and cleaned chicken and mix well. Close it with the lid and let it cook. Add salt according to your taste. (250 ml of water). Close it with the lid and let it boil. Now add the ground coconut paste. Mix well, close it with the lid and let it cook. Add half lime juice. Sprinkle with a handful of coriander leaves. Tear the paratha into small pieces. Add some chicken salna on it for an authentic taste. Tasty paratha with chicken salna is ready. Try it to enjoy it. Thank you.